Come test drive the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: carpeted floor mats, cargo net, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.
At the Matthews Hot Corner on the corner of the Vestal Parkway and Sycamore, we've got over 500 pre-owned vehicles available, including 75 factory-certified Nissans with a great warranty, free maintenance, Carfax, and more, featuring a special low APR financing rate or extra rebates to well-qualified buyers. Learn more at the Hot Corner near the Town Square Mall.